This is part 2 of the embroidery kit where I will show you how to make the bouquet of flowers. I'd recommend you watch the full video before you start your piece. This piece contains 4 stitches, the back stitch, the woven back stitch, French knots and lazy daisy stitch. Firstly, you start off with a simple back stitch. There's a video in my playlist explaining how to do this stitch. You use this stitch for all of the stems of the flowers. It doesn't matter if your thread is getting short, if you're halfway through a stem, just end it, tie a knot in the back and restart at that same spot. I have to do it several times through this piece. For the leaves in this piece, we will be doing the lazy daisy stitch. There's a video on my playlist explaining how to do this stitch. Feel free to watch it and practice first. Just repeat this stitch through all the leaves. Now we are going to move on to the French knots. They are really simple, but again, if you can't see what I'm doing here, there's a video on my playlist on how to do French knots. I'm very bad at explaining things, so I'd recommend you just go watch that video instead of me trying to explain it to you. You just repeat these knots in little bunches to create little bunches of flowers. I don't have the video of it here, but you also use the white thread to do the petals of the daisies. The petals of the daisies are the exact same as the leaves. It's a lazy daisy stitch. Now it's time for the woven back stitch. So, you trace the bow with the regular back stitch first of all. After that, you thread the needle through the gaps of the thread. This creates a more 3D effect. Again, if you can't see what I'm doing here, I have a video on my playlist showing you how to do the woven back stitch. Then you repeat it for the rest of the bow. Now it's time to finish the daisies. Use the yellow to create French knots. enjoyed making this piece. It was so relaxing. If you have any issue with the kits, please let me know. Just contact me through Facebook or Instagram at Katie's Crafts. And that's it. Just finish up by tying a knot in the back. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed.